Ahlan ya talab. Today we're going to be learning about comparatives. So comparatives are things like these examples. She is just like her sister. As we can see, he looks like a man, being as an ocean, as that is not yours. So the first like is going to be mithal. So grammatically it is a noun, and it is the first of an idafa. So this means that anything that follows after it is a definite noun. So that means it either has an al in front of it or it has a pronoun suffix at the end implying ownership. So أنوي أن أتعلم اللغة العربية مثل أخي. I intend to learn Arabic like my brother. But you could be less redundant if you were already talking about your brother, and you could say أنوي أن أتعلم اللغة العربية مثله, like him. The second example is ka. So ka and mithal are very, very similar, but instead, ka does not attach to any pronoun suffixes. So you can't say ka, hu, ka, ha. That wouldn't make any sense. But what you could say is الثقافة أمريكية كالثقافة في أوروبا تتكون من ثقافات أخرى. So the culture in America, like the culture in Europe, is made up of other cultures. هو يريد أن يكون مشهور كوالده. He wants to become famous like his father. Our final example is kama, or just as, just like. So it can only be followed by jumla ismiya or jumla fa'aliya. So either a sentence with a verb or sentences without a verb. So the first example is كما تعرفين امتحان أستاذتك ليس سهل. So كما, or just as, or like, you know, second person feminine singular. So you to a girl. كما تعرفين امتحان أستاذتك, the test, the teacher's, the female professor's exam is not easy. The second one, صرخت في وجهه كما صرخت في وجهكم. I screamed in his face as I screamed in your face. We're comparing two verb things. As I did this, I did this. Here we have an example where we're not actually using a verb, at least in the first part of the phrase. So, كما أنتم عارفين, so as you are all knowers. This isn't the verb know, this is the ism fa'al of to know, which is not technically a verb. لن يكون أي طلاب. So, as you all know, there will not be any students. Here's some examples. فرقتي ليست غبية كما تقولون. My band is not stupid like you guys say. هم يريدون أن يسكنون في شقة مثله. They want to live in an apartment like him. أخي الصغير يريد أن يصبح رجولي مثل Bear Grylls. My little brother wants to become manly like Bear Grylls. Thank you.